How to delete stories on TikTok. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To delete your stories on TikTok, navigate to your TikTok application first and foremost. Make sure that you have logged into your TikTok account. Now once you are in here, click on the profile option that is in the bottom right corner. From here, click on your story. Now as you can see, you cannot find the trash or the delete icon. So what you need to do is swipe up your TikTok story. In the left hand corner, you will see the delete icon. Tap on it. Then you can either delete and re-edit your story, or to delete it completely, just click on the delete option. And just like that, you have successfully deleted your stories on your TikTok. For some reason, if you cannot perform this step, check out this next process. Head over and tap on your phone settings, then scroll down to navigate to apps. In the apps option, click on all apps and tap on the search icon to search for your TikTok. Over here, start off by force stopping your application, then head to storage and cache and tap on clear cache. This will remove any of the bug or the glitch issue that might be causing such problem. So this is how you delete stories on TikTok. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.